Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here. This is crunch time, ladies and gentlemen. You should have your hurricane preparations going into full effect at this time. We have tropical storm warnings from South Carolina south to the Georgia and South Carolina border. Hurricane warnings include Myrtle Beach, includes Morehead City, includes Holden Beach, includes up to Norfolk. And above that, we have a hurricane watch straight up through New Jersey towards Long Island. Hurricane and tropical storm watch here in the Potomac River area, including Washington, D.C. This is a serious situation, ladies and gentlemen, so we need to get this together here. This is the forecasted track, and it has not deviated. It's moved further west, and it will come over North Carolina, and it will hit New Jersey. Whether it's head-on or a couple miles off the coast, this is going to have implications that we have never seen in a long time in the state of New Jersey. If you're in the Philadelphia area, prepare now. Evacuate. Cape May is under a mandatory evacuation. Cape May County, that is. We have Atlantic County coming up for evacuation. Listen to the evacuations. You don't want to be caught with your pants down, quote unquote. There's going to be inland effects here. This is a very serious situation. So the issue that I see being a huge issue in New Jersey is going to be storm surge. That's going to be including New York City. There's going to be a lot of water buildup. Plus a full moon cycle is a bad situation. A lot of buildup of water. There might be flooding in places you've never seen flooding before. We're talking about airports like Newark and LaGuardia in that area. We're talking about the possibility of the water getting up to Delaware Bay and up to Philadelphia. Think about what could happen if the water gets too high. We get too much of a water rise in that area and in Washington, D.C. So there are big points that I want to make right here, and this is a huge storm. I'm going to show you that on satellite. This is going to take there's going to be a lot of expansion here. Just, ladies and gentlemen, this is a serious situation, and we need to take this extremely serious at this time. Get your hurricane preparedness done. Go to the store when you can. Buy their stuff, and make sure you have a hurricane kit and a preparedness kit, because you are going to need it in this storm. The time is closing in, and the time for Sunday, it's coming on Friday. 2 hours here, 3 hours here. We're at the point that there is no too much deviation that's going to happen in the forecast track. When I show you the models, they're starting to tighten together. So this is a serious situation, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, I said this storm is getting bigger. Look at how much this is expanded. You see the eye wall is trying to replace itself. It hasn't made that far north jog. You can see a little bit of a northwest jog. It's staying on course here, and this is going to get interesting. It's expanding, like I said. There's an expansion of the hurricane force winds, tropical storm force winds, and this will only continue. Water vapor imagery here. You can see, look at the size of that storm. That's what I'm saying. Take the storm and move it inland. Boom. The western edge will be over Kentucky and West Virginia. This is why I'm saying this is a wide storm, and going to have a lot of impacts on North Carolina, Virginia, Delaware, New Jersey, and further up the coast. And this thing is breathing, and this is rapidly. You can see it's starting to rapidly intensify right now with the eye wall replacement going on here. So things are going down that hill. Here's the forecast tracks. They're all going over Morehead City area, over Cape Hatteras. Then it's going up there to Norfolk, and going straight up. The official forecast has this going straight up just east of Tabernacle, New Jersey, and then moving to New York City, and then up through the northeast. This is a scary, scary situation. There's going to be a lot of impacts here, and we're going to have multiple updates here on liveweatherblogs.com. Tropical storm warnings or watches are in effect from Virginia Beach up through Sandy Hook, New Jersey. Hurricane warnings are from Virginia Beach down towards Myrtle Beach, and tropical storm warnings for South Carolina. Tropical storm watch for the Washington, D.C. and the Potomac. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for your latest information, including evacuation information, and we'll stay with you. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davison. Another update coming up a little bit later this evening after the 11 o'clock watch.